Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Simply Works Electronics. This is our garage and our testing grounds today. I just finished a whole batch of boards that I need to test, and today I'm going to show you our little testing machine and how we go about testing each board that we make here. So here's our test station, testing the boards. We do just test the relays, make sure everything works. It's a resistive test, so meaning that there's not like inductive load, but just for the purpose of, verifying basic functionality, this is a good setup. So what do we do here? Basic idea is simple. We just place this connector and clamp it down, as well as this connector, so that it just allows for a fast and easy attachment of the both power connections and the data, or whatever control, whatever you would like to call it. Okay, let me put it all together for you. Okay, now that the power and the data or control connection is clamped down, first thing first, we apply the power. You make sure that the thermostat comes up, and it's just a simple thermostat, but I mean, they all work in the same fashion, so it doesn't really matter. So since the thermostat came up, that means that our power circuitry or our transformer works properly. Next, I'm gonna set it to cool. Well, actually, it doesn't matter how to set it to cool, and the first thing that's gonna go is pump. Okay, pump is on now. After a 45-second delay, we're gonna observe the low fan kicking in, but we have to wait 45 seconds. I also want to mention here we have pump, low, high, and drain. At the moment, drain up. Here it goes. The low went on after the 45-second delay. We can measure it later. So this thermostat has less terminals, less data connections. So it's wired in a little different way, but basically the way it works for me to test every possible variation, I wired heat to actually drive the high. So the next thing I'm gonna do is change it to on, because otherwise the fan, anyway, this is just part of the procedure for me to go through each relay and make sure each relay turns on. So now it should kick in on high and turn off the pump. So that's as expected in this particular wiring that I have it set up. Next, I'm gonna switch it back to cool. Next I'm gonna switch it off to off, but fan is gonna be on, which is actually gonna kick in only low. Only fan low. In the last one, I just turn everything off and verify that everything's off. So it's not wired. This thermostat's not wired in a traditional fashion. It's more just wired so I can test each relay variation. And here we go. This is, we just verify this is a working board. So last thing is to turn off the power and package the board. Thank you guys.